Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. In this video, we're going to look at the new updated Photos app for Windows 11 that's just started rolling out to Windows Insiders and released to all Windows users over the next few months. And so this is the new app. I've just got it, so I thought I'd take a look. And you can see it, you get a little welcome thing here, so it's showing me that everything is in one place. I am going to sign into OneDrive because I think that makes it better. It seems I'm already signed in, but I'll do that anyway. So in fact, I am signed in, so I can go straight to Photos. So this is the new UI. See, it looks very. The search bars are similar across the top, but you've got the menus down the left-hand side. So you see in my photos, I do have a lot of screenshots, but those are the things you see. And then I've got some usual stuff, some family pictures, some studio pictures, all the usual stuff. But you see, I can scroll through the timeline just as you could in the other version. But when you click on a photo, in fact, you notice here you've got the icon showing you the type of photo, so it's a local photo or a cloud photo. And you've got the menus down here showing you the locations of them, so it's a bit clearer where they are now. So they're in OneDrive, they're on the local machine, they could be on an external drive, so you can see that now. And also it shows you how much space you've got on in your OneDrivers now, which is pretty good. So let's try viewing a photo. So you view a photo now, you see you've got the camera roll at the bottom there to show you your other photos. This view of it seems pretty much the same. You've got the usual edit options and save and copy. You can create a video with Clipchamp, which is the app that Microsoft purchased and is now sort of the default basic video editor in Windows 11. And you see I've got forwards and backwards buttons on here to go take. And you see I've got forwards and backwards buttons here to go through the camera roll, which pops up when I move the mouse down the bottom down there. So you even show you can get the old version if you want. It's called Photos Legacy in the Microsoft Store, and you've got the import button and all the other things on it. So I think it does support multi-windowed viewing. But this is on my Surface Go, so it's a bit of a smaller screen. On my Surface Laptop Studio hasn't picked up that update yet. So yeah, we have got multi-windowed. So I'm viewing a photo, and I still can get at my other photos. I remember rightly on the other version, it was a single photo at a time, and then you would go back and it would take you back to the photo browser. So it was a single windowed experience. Now you've got a proper windowed experience, and of course using Windows 11's screen positioning tools, you can then you can have side by side and all that kind of thing, which is great. You notice when I select photos as well, before I look at the import and export, you can see now you get a little toolbar, so it gives you these options. The other app did that the same, but it's a bit clearer on this now. So I think what they've done is not necessarily new features, but they've improved the clarity and the way that it exposes those features. So I can import some photos. So you can see this is the import wizard that's been updated as well. So I'll cancel the photo import, which that's fairly standard stuff. Let's have a look at the memories that's been improved. So this is in OneDrive on here, and you can see you can look back at August, you can look at this day in history. You can use the Clipchamp to make memories, and you can access memories from here as well. And you can look back and you can look at albums and things like that. So you can access them, and let's have a look what that does. Okay, so that's just giving you the link so that you can access them from your mobile device, which I've already got installed. And then you can use the Clipchamp to do those. So it's another entry point to these features. They're kind of already there, but it's just a new UI. I do like this new UI. Having the menu down the side there makes sense. The previous app worked fine, but it's less intuitive to use, and this looks much more like a Windows 11 app and operates like the rest of the Windows 11 apps, which I think is the point. It's easy to navigate around how to find stuff based on your local machine and the cloud as well. So it's all in one place. So that's a quick look at the updated Photos app that will be rolling out soon to rest of the Windows users, and Windows Insiders on the dev channel should be able to try this out soon.